Hey there, marine enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of deep-sea cephalopods. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cephalopods, aren't those just squids and octopuses? Oh, but there's so much more. Let's start with the colossal squid. This magnificent creature is rarely seen by human eyes, living deep down in the ocean's twilight zone. With eyes as large as dinner plates, they can spot prey even in near darkness. Imagine navigating the pitch-black abyss with those. Next up, the vampire squid. Don't let the name scare you, it's not as terrifying as it sounds. The vampire squid is a master of disguise. When threatened, it turns itself inside out, displaying spiky projections to deter predators. Think of it as the ocean's version of a ninja, stealthy and elusive. Now let's talk about the Dumbo octopus. Named after Disney's flying elephant, these adorable octopuses have ear-like fins that make them look like they're gliding through the water. They live at depths of over 4,000 meters, where no sunlight reaches. Despite the harsh conditions, they thrive, feeding on small crustaceans and worms. Deep-sea cephalopods have some of the most fascinating adaptations. Take bioluminescence, for example. Many of these creatures produce their own light, a handy tool in the dark depths. The glowing patterns can attract mates, lure prey, or even confuse predators. It's like having your own underwater light show. Let's not forget the incredible mimic octopus. This cephalopod can impersonate more than 15 different marine species, from lionfish to flatfish to sea snakes. Talk about an impressive costume collection. It's a survival strategy that keeps predators guessing and gives the mimic octopus the upper hand. And here's something truly mind-blowing. Cephalopods have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of their body. This unique circulatory system helps them survive in the extreme pressures of the deep sea. So, next time you think of cephalopods, remember they're more than just squids and octopuses. They're the deep sea's ultimate survivors, each with their own incredible adaptations and secrets. Thanks for joining me on this underwater adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more ocean wonders. Until next time, keep exploring the deep.